My name's Andrew. I'm an engineer at Imbue, and I built an open source code review tool called Vet to address issues I've seen in other code review tools, primarily that they're proprietary, collect your data, and they don't run in the loop, so the iteration cycles are too slow. Here I'm in OpenCode, and you can use Claude Code, Codex, any other coding agent. So here I'm going to ask it to replace black with rough. What I want it to do is I want it to replace the formatter that I'm using whenever I do pre-commits. So before committing my code, I want it to run the formatter, and then I want to be able to commit that code. So it's going to look at the code, it's going to find where that was, and now it's discovering the vet skill, which will take into account the code changes as well as our conversation. So the message that I sent at the beginning, vet will then pick up on the intent of my message. So it was to ensure that once I commit my code, the formatter will run, and that formatter should be rough instead of black now. And so we see here, vet picked up that not all appropriate documentation was updated. It is noticing that despite updating the code correctly, the agent didn't update the development.md documentation file. So now the agent is going to go fix that issue, and then we see it's running vet again. And this is one of the benefits of being able to run this locally because it's all done in the same loop. It happens really quickly. And then at the end of the agent turn, I can then push these changes up, and then I don't have to spend so much time going back and forth in that PR process. The best part of Vet is your data stays your own, and it never contacts our servers. Additionally, you can run it with your existing tooling, so all you have to do is run the one bash command, and it will work in Claude Code instantly. I'm excited for Vet to be out there in the world, and for you to start using it and to hear your feedback on it.